Okay, how's it going, guys? I have decided I'm gonna make a little video. I guess it's kind of a tutorial. I have no idea if it's gonna work or not. I've just been told that this is the way to fix the issue. The issue is r154 that leaks out of the shifter housing. This just started on me after I was making over 500 to the wheels. I think that the transmission builds a crap ton of pressure because of all the extra power, and it just pushes all fluid right out of the shifter housing. Really, really annoying. It smells like crap, and I can't even drive the car down the road without smelling it. So the fix that I've been told that fixes it is sticking sponges in the shifter housing, like legitimate sponge. Can't see nothing because I've got no. Okay, hold on. Alright, so I've stuffed some sponges inside the housing there on both sides. Now, what this is supposed to do, nobody's explained it, but what I think it's supposed to do is it catches all the fluid and air can still come through because this transmission breathes out of the shifter. Hopefully this fixes the issue. I don't know how many sponges you're supposed to use, but I've stuck one on one side, one on the other side, and then I'm going to stick one inside the actual housing so that way nothing comes out of the top. This is just the basic scratch pad ones. I just ripped the scratchers off this so that you get just the sponge. So I'm going to attempt this, and then I'm going to go do some pulls because that's when it seems to really happen. When I'm at full boost and a third gear pull all the way through the red line, and it blows gear oil everywhere. There's gear oil all underneath my car. It's disgusting. It spills out and it runs down my bell housing and drips down by my engine, so I think that I have an oil leak up there, but I don't. So yeah, I will give you guys a heads up here in a second after I get this all put back together and I go do some pulls. By the way, thanks for telling me I had a crazy black mark on my face. I just saw after I reviewed the footage, so yeah. Alright, so we're clearly driving now. It's in. I've done a couple pulls. I left my shifter open so you can see everything, like you can see the ground. So I'm going to attempt to see. Nope. Still nothing. Hold on here, one hand sucks pretty bad most of the time. This happened before and it actually sprayed the whole interior of my car. So, yep, so far we're good. So far we are good. So all is dry. All of this crap is because my boot was ripped and I just fixed it with some black RTV. You can't judge, that stuff does wonders. But all I found was some old drips, or leftover oil that was on my bell housing that was dripping. But everything else seems good. The whole back side of the transmission is dry, so I think it's successful. It's been a while since I made an outro, so if you guys like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and comment. Let me know if you're going to see you next. I'll see you guys in the next one.